Tired of searching for a real online job that doesn't require years of experience? Well, stop scrolling because I've got something for you. Today, we're re-diving into a fantastic opportunity that's perfect for beginners and anyone looking to earn extra income from the comfort of their home. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a legitimate data entry job that pays you for your time and effort. So, what's the job? It's data entry, and you can do it right from your laptop. The website you need to know is clickworker.com. Let me spell that out for you. clickworker.com. Clickworker is a well-known platform that connects people like you with businesses that need help with money. What kind of work will you be doing? It's mostly simple tasks like typing, categorizing data, and other straightforward assignments. You don't need any special qualifications or a fancy degree. If you can type and follow instructions, you're already halfway there. The work is flexible, so you can fit it around your schedule, whether you're a student, a stay-at-home parent, or just looking for a side hustle. Now, let's talk about the best part: getting paid. Clickworker offers weekly payments. That's right, you don't have to wait a whole month to get your earnings. They pay out through reliable methods, so you can be sure you'll receive your money on time. This regular payment schedule is a huge plus, helping you manage your finances better. And the great thing is, almost anyone can apply. Clickworker operates globally, so no matter where you are in the world, you can sign up and start earning. All you need is a computer and a reliable internet connection. It's a truly global opportunity that breaks down geographical barriers. Let's do a quick recap. The job is data entry. The website is clickworker.com. The work involves simple typing and other tasks. Payment is weekly, and it's open to applicants worldwide with no prior experience necessary. If you've been looking for a sign to start your work-from-home journey, this is it. It's a genuine way to build your skills and earn money online. So head over to clickworker.com, create your profile, and complete the assessment tests. The sooner you get started, the sooner you can begin accepting tasks and earning. I hope this information was helpful. Finding legitimate online work can be tough, but opportunities like this make it so much easier. If you found this useful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more real job leads and work-from-home tips. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.